What's up, YouTube? Lord Xander here, come to with another nighttime backyard shooting video. All right, so if you watch my earlier video, I'm shooting the off-brand Chinese-made carbon fiber Vulcan arrows with the bright neon. Again, this is ideal for the backyard. Bright color as opposed to the aluminum black ones or even the carbon fiber black ones. So I'm gonna set this down and take some shots. All right. Okay, so here we go. Okay, I'm gonna also do a speed loading here. So sending too low, far left, closer, okay, drop it one arrow here, doing speed loading. Okay, that's 12 shots. So again, let's go see how I did. Oh snap. This one went all the way up in there. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and oh dang, 12. Tore right through the thing. All right, this sucks. Should have put my cushions up, but hopefully I didn't damage the veins. But they're flexible. All right, so no bullseyes. Definitely have to. Oh, sorry. Bad cameraman. Apologize for that. All right, so got one stuck here in the thing. I'll have to probably pull out. Okay, oh yeah, the vein survived. Okay, so durable vein. I got one stuck in there, went too low. So this is the arrow that got the closest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, so night shooting. Definitely need to work on getting in my red dot laser sight. I have one there, but I don't have it like tuned in well. Okay, so as you can see, the off-brand you can fire from your AR-6 Stinger 2 compact version, 35-pound limb, and again, not shooting any broadheads or war bolts in here, but just either the target tip or the Vulcans, especially with this paper target, because as you see, when it hit, it kind of shifted up a little bit. Okay, so dogs are barking, so I wonder what the heck's going on. Maybe it's a bobcat. Or a squirrel. I'm not sure what that is, but let's go take a look-see. But first, let's go unarmed. Locked and loaded, baby. do have a light here, as you can see mounted on there. Nope, no rats. I haven't seen rats here, unfortunately. This would be good for pest control, and I have seen, like I said, bobcats. Alright, see if I can hit the bullseye from maybe about 10 feet. So let's see what happens. Alright. Nope, as you can see, the arrow kind of shifted up. So there's one disadvantage from the copy paper one. It doesn't, I mean, it stops the arrow, of course, obviously, but it doesn't slow down the momentum, so it has to shift up. So I'm sure the aluminum ones would hold up fine, but definitely would trust the carbon fiber more. Again, carbon fiber, they cost a bit more, but they're going to be more durable. What the hell are the dogs barking at? Anyways, alright, so that's the video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Gonna do some more shooting and practicing, but make sure you hit that notification bell so when I upload another video you can see if I'm improving in time. Alright, thanks for watching. Love you. Bye-bye.